So I have small percentage of my portfolio, as you see, just for doing some trades. Let's see. I don't want to be exposed my account, so if they exposed a little bit, there's no problem with me. So let's see. This is a good opportunity. So I want to not 1 hour. Let's make some lines here. For me, this is a continuation pattern. I say this is for me. This is clear. This one. So I think you can see a channel here. A little bit strange as a continuation, but more than enough. I mean, this is a rejection, clearly rejection. Rejection here. For me it's enough to enter a short position. Let's enter a little bit over. This is BitMEX, but okay, for me this is 20. What's the price here? 26. So I should open a new one. Limit 25 average. $26.7. Let's do BYBIT. So 50 minutes looks like the same. Clear rejection here. Okay. So let's enter now, almost now. 29. Okay, let's try 29. And this, I don't know how much is this. I don't understand. Let's keep it simple. I try now BYBIT. I put okay, 25% is this. Okay, it's here. It's like it next. Okay, so let's keep it simple. Just 2000. Okay, limit. Let's try to sort at 7. Okay, I don't want this. There is a highest. Oh, forget me. And I entered the limit. So let's go to this. Sorry, here. Let's try to like so. So for example, let's say this is not just so let's say this is a good spot on 1 hour. Last one, if we put the Fibonacci here, yeah, sure, it looks like let's say this is one wave, this is the other wave. Put here, and no, I don't like this pivot. Maybe it's from here. Okay, no, don't care, but see something like here, because this is very, and I don't think this is a rejection from here. Not yet, impossible. So maybe it's from here. Yeah, this looks better. This looks better. Yeah, this is okay. This is step 5, 0.5, then suppose 0.3, testing 0.3. So the worst case scenario is going to 0.7 to, so liquidatins, so I can enter the price over another price over next to, in case it goes to this area. Oh my god, this area. That is support and resistance. So okay, for me this is a good safe spot. So in case this breaks this one, in case for example we consider this a wedge or something like that it's coming like here, let's say this breaks upwards, and goes to the higher part of the triangle, then it's perfect. This is the spot where I consider a re-entry. Okay, so I can see the chat. I don't think it works. The sound. I'm trying to explain my trade, okay? So, okay, I come back. I need to stay on the computer. So let's see. I'm going to remove this because it's so ugly right now, looking like that. So this is my lines. Okay, let's see. Volume is higher volume here, so maybe that doesn't need to go that way up. Here also, good volume, good hammer. This is a good resistance. Okay, so this is a good resistance also. I could wait over here to enter a trade, but maybe I lost my trade, so I prefer entry now because bulls are trying with this volume, but this reaction is very good. It's very good. And this you can see this is now just a consolidation, so it's probable that never breaks this EMA. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to do. I'm using a very low small. I kind of relax me using that low of my portfolio, but just I'm testing this and I try to do the same I do when I trade. Okay, let's come back to see if it's working. It's not working, I think. So please, if you are listening to me, please write something in the chat, as I can see it works, because it's the first time I'm using DLive, and I don't know if I'm doing okay. In fact, I'm a little bit lost in this program, but I think it's working perfectly. I have 3 members now watching. So let me share this thing in order to see if someone I don't know if it's working the sound. Please follow me. Okay, I need to come back to my trade. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, let's see indicators. No, this looks little weird, but it's 20. So I need to change this one. This one 25. And 25. I would like to that, and the 15 minutes is not looking good, but it's just a clear bull. Is the average divergence over here. Now it's even higher. Sounds it works. Sounds is okay. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I want to do this often, and it seems pretty easy. And then you can hack my BYBIT account and enjoy my 0.05 BTC. Guess you. I don't like to show my account, but I think this is pretty sure. It's pretty safe. And at least it's a little. It's no big deal. No, I don't know what this means. Okay. I think this bears are reacting. Okay, 3 minutes. I would like to close. This is perfect for me. Okay, you see, 3 minutes, and this candlestick is going to empower bears. Okay, it's a perfect rejection on 21 EMA with a clear rejection candlestick. So for me it's clear, and same if closes below. Yeah, I doesn't care about this EMA, but it seems that the good one here in 15 minutes should be one EMA or movement that is going like this. So it's not 55. 55 here is not working. You see? Not working here, not working here, not working here. So there's some EMA parallel to this one that is working. Here is working the 21 EMA. What's that? So 1 minute to close the candlestick. Yeah, you know, this can be a little boring sometimes, but it's very profitable. So patience is the key here. $25. So we can our target can be some 15 minutes, for example, going to the oversold. It could be okay. If not, maybe I write the breakout. Okay, if the trend line breaks, I'm going to write this breakout. Okay, or what is smarter is to exit over here, maybe, and re-enter using the moving average. Okay, so 1 hour is finished, and this should make the bears try the price down. Okay, here we go. 23, little bit, 22. So I think I'm going to exit over here. Maybe it's too early, but I don't think it's going to break as easy the trend line. So safer 21.2. It's not a big profit, but okay, let's use the conditional 25 trigger 7 to 10 less no and 0.1 conditional trigger limit. It's okay. What the fuck? Bailo. Okay. Conditional here. Fill it. This one perfect. 2000. 2000. Okay. It's coming down. It's coming down. Okay, please you join in, follow me, and you probably will be receiving notifications about when I am doing lives. So try to subscribe me, please. And don't forget to follow me at Twitter, Telegram. I'm liking this live. Seems pretty easy. Okay, let's. Okay, here is a clear. Okay, this is a trend line. So here is going to bounce, and then we are going to see if here is going to stop the price. Well, maybe this trend line is going to appear. If you see, there's also some support here and some support. Anything more important? It's not important. So, but okay, this is not. Bulls are dead now. I think. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't like this stochastic, but there's plenty room on RSI to go to the oversold. Then I see this is perfect. You know, this is very highly for bulls. This was the low volume, so this is going very fast down. So zero level is near. So we are going to see probably a little bounce over here. I don't know. I say again, I don't know, but it's more probably that it's going to happen this. So don't hesitate and ask me whatever you want. I'm trying to answer as soon as possible. Oh, I need to take one call, family. So Okay, it's it's acting the trend line. Okay, it's acting right now. So I'm shorting short period. I hope short time frame, 5 minutes. Even when I'm doing this, I'm thinking also even trade lower time frames, but it's a little bit dangerous. I'm not used to trade 1 minute chart. Okay, but maybe if not, could be a little more exciting for you, not for me, but just for you. So in this case, I doesn't care. I don't care because I don't care to lose now and then this part of the portfolio. But 1 minute is exposing me too much. So I don't know. Maybe I try and I see how does, because I now we are all waiting the price to move. And then we have this turn acting. Okay, so you see how this is kind more bears taking profits than bulls entering the market. Okay, so as you can see, there's no response at this level. Not response. So still bears bulls are there. In fact, as you see the 21 EMA now, it's gonna act as a resistance maybe. So let's see what happens next 5 minutes. So let's see if I can see something else here while I wait to the price moves. Oh. So for example, here this we can here kind of double top on a stochastic and a lower high, so it's also a good divergence over here. And even you can consider a little weird, but you can consider this as a head and shoulders. Okay, so let's see head and shoulders. Why? Let's remove this. So, for example, we've got left shoulder, the head, and we got here the right shoulder that failed, and we've got the right shoulder. Okay, so why I like these head and shoulders? Because we've got a left shoulder with a good bull volume, a head which is a higher high with less volume, and a right shoulder with even less volume. Okay, so this up is pretty weak. Now it's acting the trend line. Okay, let's see if 21 EMA or 55 are enough to stop this reaction. So are less volume. So this up is bullshit from bulls. Okay, so that's why I like the head and shoulders. I like only the head and shoulders if the volume pattern is okay. So indeed, as you can see, the bear volume is big on those ends. So what we need is a true breakout with volume. So maybe it's gonna break, as we said in the live, then maybe a retest. I don't think so, because bulls consume the opportunity here, and then it's going to drop like boom. Okay, so we got the reaction by bulls expected on the trend line. Look how beautiful is trading. Okay, so now it's bulls buying. Okay, now bulls are buying, probably buying the stochastic lower the trend line, but 12 seconds to go, and this candle, the morphology is good for bulls, but the volume is not good if they want to make a higher high over here. Okay, next candlestick. Okay, it's pushing, they are pushing now, pushing again. It's more an absence of bears than bulls pushing. There's no opposition by bears. So let's see where they are waiting, if it is going up. Let's find some chat patterns here. So this can be a wedge. Okay, let's remove this trend line. Let's perhaps it's a wedge. If this is a wedge, if this is a wedge, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So maybe last one, but usually after 4 touches, this is going to stop here and break. If it breaks the wedge, we should use it the longest, and we should close over here. If we adapt to the support, we should close it at 7191. Okay, but I don't need to catch the bottom, so I'll go for the 2000 to 2200. Okay, let's see the importance of back to the 21 EMA and back to the don't forget the higher time frames. Okay, so you can see these two candles, you can see these two bars and say, oh my god, bulls are in control. Okay, you can say, okay, double bottom of stochastic, higher low. Okay, this is coming, this is going up. But then if you switch to the 1 hour, you can see price is below 21 EMA, volume is ridiculous now, so it's still no problem. And if we go to the 4 hours, it's way far away from the strong resistance. This candlestick is just an indecision now on 4 hours or a consolidation period. So okay, it's okay. Maybe I could trade this one, but we will need to do higher leverage, and I don't recommend use more than 25. 25x is my limit. Okay. Okay, seems it's working okay. The BYBIT, I think it's the competition to BitMEX. For me it's okay because Arthur highs, I think they got almost the 0.2% of Bitcoin. So we don't want the, I prefer to spread the between exchanges in order to the competition is going to do that the exchanges are better, safer, and compete with quality. If not, as BitMEX gets all the liquidity, BitMEX is going to rule the crypto trading. So it's better to these things happen and other exchanges and compete against each other. I like it. So remember, I am shorting now 25x. My entry price is 22.29. I made the commentaries about this trend line is going to make some reaction. I enter over here in this candle, this white candlestick. I knew this is going to happen 2 pounds. I don't want to get out with so low profit, so I wait to test this big trend line. I could wait in order to do the breakout, but I want to make quick scalps and I don't want to be here 6 hours with this trade. And I had the other trade on BitMEX open, but it was longer period. So for example, if I did close it like here, 29 is would be on 5 of a 15 with my leverage would be at 3.75%. You need to know that using limits above and below the price, BYBIT and BitMEX pays you commission. Okay, if you use the market or limit below or above the price at this moment, you need to pay at BitMEX or BYBIT for the whole size. I mean, not your part, the whole position. So that's why I use always limit, and I prefer to stay on the computer or use alarms in order to put the stop limits, not stop market losses. Okay. So as you can see, the reaction is almost over. You can apply the FIBO to that Remember Fibonacci always from low to high, high to low, depending. If you consider this is a retracement, you need to put the in this way. So this stopped, price stopped at 0.236, is stopping now at 0.618, and here is there's a confluence between the EMA, the 244 EMA on 5 minutes, and the 0.786. You should know 0.786 is the usual FIBO level to the reversals. So it's possible that it's going to this level, or even higher, okay, or even going to 250, as I said before. I don't know if it works better as a channel. No. And we've got here the, remember, there's also confluence with the resistance that comes from here. More or less here. The resistance, okay? Yes, no, it's maybe yes. Let's see. Let's see. No, it's now bears should appear right now. If we consider this a reversal, should appear here now. Oh, perfect, 0.7 with the trend line, with the EMA. If not that it's happening, that these bulls are pushing, we should wait here them over here. And now is coming the battle. Battle should happen now, with bulls trying to push at this moment. But you need to know there's a lot of rejection before at this precisely this level. This one, and this one. So they need to push. I don't know if are happening the same on BitMEX. Yes, it's exactly the same. If you consider BitMEX has some manipulation in order to stop hands, you need to know BYBIT, for the same reason, BYBIT is going to be more manipulated, okay, because the liquidity is less. That's why crypto market is the so-called manipulated market. It's because the lower liquidity. If you want to manipulate the forex market, for example the Euro USD, you need a lot of money, okay, you need way more money than here. So BYBIT is more exposed to manipulation than BitMEX. You need to know that. So bears are absent now, okay. It's no big volume, so I don't understand where are the bears. Then we are still again on the 21 EMA. With very low volume. Okay. Wets has no working, and as we know, next stop was 7,000. Okay, so I need to, I'll put my conditional one. It's perfect, and I need to put my other one, my limit, on 7294. Okay, just in case it's going up. This is a weird app at this moment. It is clear a breakout of this resistance trend line. Okay, so it's approaching to the 55, and our first stop here. We know have in this area is going to be some rejection. I don't know if it's going to be enough or not, but still is lower, is low volume, still not even saying. The only problem here is that 21 is broken. Okay, so if push achieve to close this candle above 21 EMA, the attempt to the next area is going to be also their goal. So this now was a big rejection, as we know is going to happen, and bears are still missing. Don't like this. This is nothing. There's nothing. Okay, stochastic arrives here. RSI on 5 minutes is on the overbought level, and here on 15 minutes it's approaching to that level. Let's see if the bearish divergence happens. Well, looks like it's going to happen sooner or later. And 1 hour, oh, this is good for bulls. Breaking this, but looks like this RSI is pretty, seems like it's something like this. I can stop here. If not, if it's like this, this doesn't work like this. Also approaching to the overbought. ADXDI still works, still varies. Sooner or later is going to stop. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, first resistance, like nothing. I started to not liking this. Bears are missing, completely missing, and this candle starts to look good for bulls. So I'm going to and the same at the moment, yes. Okay, start to look very good for bulls. Okay. I need to switch this to at this moment has broken all the trend lines here. One hour left on 4 hours. 9 hours. Okay. Again pushing. I'm going to enter sooner for USD to my entry. Not yet. Enter it. Okay, this is not looking good. Now begins the last reaction for bear that I hope. If not, I will be in a bad shape. Okay, this is I can play with this, but I don't have here much money. So I need to know where to put my stop loss now. Let's start finding where. So both looking. I don't like now how it looks, this candle. It's pretty big with medium volume, but it's considerably big in this moment. So let's see. Let's consider this top and not this top. So this looks like a good trend line, so this one should be enough. Okay, even going with a big candle, usually it should wait a little bit. Let's see what I have here. There's no, this is 55 EMA, but doesn't look like it should work, and this no more. So okay, so my entry is now here, so it's fine to put it above this, so I will need to trade longer. Okay, reaction is happening now, but there's no volume yet. Now this is a good rejection, but bears need volume, need more volume. 15 minutes is good. Now we are in the entry point, more or less. Now I am covering my, I know it's not yet at the same level. Okay, look how suppose that now 72.50 has to do nothing now. If not, it will mean that bears have no power. But reacting again, seven minutes in order bears take control. Feel free to write on the chat, okay? Okay, again, bears are pushing now. They are making a good volume candlestick on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. I expect that this candle ends being superior to previous one. So if we see this one, this is perfect. If we achieve to this 15 with a bear candlestick greater than this one, I will be safe, and I will be safe if this 1 hour candle closes below these trend lines. Okay. It looks powerful now, this reaction candle. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough. I am $9. I'm losing $5 now. $15 candlestick is growing over the previous one. 5 minutes candlestick closed at the 11 or mostly at the same level that this bigger one, so this is going good. Now it's decreasing again, and maybe 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 closes the that level. Big reaction. If now this one acts as support, I'm going to get angry. But it's possible. It's acting now as a support. Oh my god. Why? Because they are taking profits, probably. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now. Okay, this is. Okay, I a question. What looks like this? If you see the big picture, what does look like? Okay, yes, perfect. I know I was answering. I was asking that question. Perfect. That is clearly a trap. They were trapping. They were hunting the stop loss hunting. Okay, perfect. You answering perfect. You realize before than me. So that support my idea of breaking this trend line. Okay, so I should wait. I'm in profit. Yes. Ooh, $10. Fine. Perfect. $10. I can buy a house. Okay, this is growing. Okay, this is I can close now the I need to take the risk. I can close now this trade. This is completely, this is a big rejection candle. Oh my god. This is what you call manipulation. Okay. Okay, in last 5 minutes in the 1 hour candle, this candlestick became a strongly ugly candlestick for bulls. So okay, so I think we should ride this trade. I don't know, I my brain tells that I should close it and take the profit. Yes, exactly. Yeah, 15 minutes was the thing that I was pursuing. Okay, this is going to the hell. This is going to the hell now. Wow, my god. This is a bloodbath. I don't follow. I don't know if there's has been liquidation. That's why I say always that you don't in crypto. I prefer to have the more money back in order to plan this to plan this. So I think I'm going to close. Yes, I'm going to close in the one size. I think the conditional zero active. Oh, it's bouncing. Oh shit. I was about to close my one of my trades. So yes, I prefer doing that. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Let's start here again. Let's do this one. Okay, perfect breakout, and now I don't know what is stopping. What is stopping this for break the? It's nothing. Nothing can stop now. The 1 hour candle closes in a very bad shape now. Look at MACD. MACD is bullshit again. Okay, I think it's time to close my trade. Half of the trade. Remember, I entered again, so half is closing right. Oh my god! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Come on! I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Come on. Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay. So I have one position now, riding the wave. And my other trade is going okay. So where I need to stop this? Where? This is it, my friends. This is it. Oh my god, fantastic. Whew. Oh, perfect. So big rejection, so I need to close it. Okay, let's learn how to use this limit. Close price 7151. Confirm. It's enough. I'm doing that because this is a live trading. Okay, and I have other trade open, and I have another trade open on BitMEX, a huge, not a huge one, but comparing to this is nothing to do. So this is only just explaining I don't like this rejection. Oh my god. This is insane. Now this is a big rejection candle. Okay, I close one, and the other one I need to close it if I don't want to. What is this, man? What is this? The New Year Eve party. This is what is happening. So I think I need to. I don't know what to do. To be honest, I don't know what to do. This is not. I don't know what is happening. Okay, same rejection again here. There's review, trying to this trend line. Yes, this is this trend line. Can we consider this as a double bottom? So I don't think so. This was a quick reaction, but it's again below to. So okay, let's. Okay, it was kind of retesting. So again, 51. Confirm. My god, this is crypto. This is crypto. So let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour is varies. I need 15 minutes left. Four hours is varies. This is still an alarm, but this is going to grow. There's more volume now. On 4 hours, there's more volume now than the previous one. So, and this is a big. This closer like here. I think this is going to get a bigger one. And this is now you have to close here. And there's no alarm on the RSI, only a stochastic on ADXDI, but I think it's going to be again. Why is that on 20? Again. So let's switch again to 1 hour. I don't like when I know I'm not in control of the trading, because that was very unexpected. Okay, the stop hand is pretty often happens, but this rejection at this level, wow, there's has been strength by bulls. Now everybody's resting, thinking how to do, but every indicator I think is more bearish than bullish on that level, on this level. 15 minutes is even in stochastic is far away from oversold. RSI, let me see, this is coming to the zero line, so I don't see price now going again up. Look how my entry. My entry was near the top in this case. That's what is nice to make your plan A plan, and then but you need to cover with something. If you do the encrypto, the A plan, and you put your stop loss like near, you're going to get wrecked, because the price is going to catch your stop loss and then going to the same level, and then you're going to drive you mad, for sure. Okay. Stop hand. Perfect, Slaya. You already spot. You already spot the stop hand spike. Maybe Yes, here is enough. Probably the price is going lower, but I think it's enough. That's good. That's good. If you spot what is the trend, it's difficult that you are going to lose money because you have the backup and you have the good TA and you have patient. It's going to be not easy, but it's possible to be to be profitable. $20. Okay. Ah, I want to see how much I up in the Big Max. 40% up, almost. Okay, and you can ask whatever you want. Okay, remember this is 25x entry. First entry 72.29. Second entry 72.94. I got my second entry in kind of stop hunt, kind of trap going up, and now after the spike, I closed my first entry trade on the target I set the first time, and now I'm riding with the other part till 71.50. 51, I think I put my okay, 51. Try to avoid the round numbers to exit, because everybody is going to do that, and you can get like a silly face when you see the price going even to your entry or exit, and you'll never get filled. So try $1, $2, $3, $5, whatever, in order to avoid that. Okay, I have $20. $20. It's good. Some snack. But at this moment I have no exit. So yes, you missed the best part. Yes, there was a big spike, weird spike, if to be honest, and then a big rejection on 0.618 Fibonacci. Like these lives. I like these lives. I'm going to do open if you like. And I like this this live. I To be honest, I saw this live because today there was a new that new that Justin Sun or BitTorrent has partnered with this application, and I was looking for some alternative to the establishment YouTube and something like that, and I'm liking this one. It's supposed to be decentralized, but I don't think so. But I will search for more information about this social media. Okay, it looks like, wow, what a candle, what a candle, my god. Okay, one mistake you can't do right now if you were in my position. Not always a mistake, but for me it's a mistake. It's okay, this is very ugly for bulls. I'm going to short this BTC to the 5k. No, this is a mistake. And you are going to you need to take profits. You need to take profits. I want to short this to this level, but I'm going to take profits. It's my first time on BYBIT, my first time on live trading, and it's more than enough. For me, it's more than enough. This percentage is more than enough. Look, my entry was first one. Well, I'll say when I close, I will show this. But please take profits. Take profits. 10% is a huge win. 10% is a huge win. If you put 1k, if you can make every day a 10% on crypto, you're going to be rich. So 10% is it's okay. Let's say you have 50k and you put 1k, like 2% in each trade. You are making 100 in every trade if you make 10%. So and you know that it's not usually it's more than 10% on crypto. But you don't try to do a 10x with a whole portfolio in one trade. It's insane. Okay, in 2017 it was okay to doing that, but now it's not like that. Okay, let's look again. So we go now this 15 minutes near oversold. We go 10 minutes. This oh my god, this candlestick in 1 hour is very ugly for bulls. Very ugly. So I should write, but it's a little bit late, and as I said, I need to stick to my plan. But this candle is for shorting to the hell, and I'm shorting on my BitMEX account with much more money than this. So wow, it's perfect. Now it's testing again the trend line. This is not even the trend line I drew before. I modify with the lower part of the wicks. So trend line is this trend line is over. It's over. There's no reaction anymore. 8 minutes. 8 minutes, and the stock is going to be on the oversold, but I don't care. Some reaction again. Let's see the volume of this reaction on 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's some reaction over here again. Okay, so in this case, for example, another mistake. For example, you see this and say, okay, this is a double bottom, this is an oversold stock, this is whatever, whatever you want to be this, and you say, okay, I should long this. Careful, because this. Look at this volume. Look this volume. Perhaps this is the double bottom, but it's still too early to enter a long trade. Okay. And on the other hand, ADXDI is bearish, MACD is bearish. Bearish. No reaction so far from bulls. That's true. Okay, that's, I think now it's happening something. No, it's not big reaction. And the 1 hour candlestick, if even we stay here 36 more minutes, the candlestick is so ugly for bulls. So if you are trading 1 hour candle, 1 hour time frames, and you don't care about the lower time frames, and you see this, and you're going to enter a trade after this candle closes, you are going to have the MACD on the below zero, an ugly candlestick, EMAs above and rejected, directing the price. Trend line with no reaction. ADX, okay, ADX is neutral, and the only thing you have is a stochastic on the oversold, but crossing again to going lower. So I don't care if we stay. I care because I don't want to stay for life here, but even 36 minutes around here still is bearish. And this is 4 hour candle, pardon, but it's 4 hour candlestick. It's worse than that. The 1 hour, the same. This was 4 hours, that even is more important. But 1 hour, you've got a crossover again after a bullshit histogram by bulls. You're going to have again far away from oversold, the 1 hour, EMAs, ugly candlestick, good volume after reaction, stochastic not even on oversold, and ADXDI again, DI dominated. So you can't use this to enter a long position. If you want, I can close the short position because 5 minutes is kind of alarm on trend line or whatever, but it's not enough for me to close this trade. Okay, let's switch to 30 minutes and see wherever is going to close the same moment, the same at 1 hour. Come on, this is going to be my first big win of 2020, I think, on BitMEX. It's going to be perfect, I think, because I wanted to start the new month on 1 of January, and if it drops tonight, it's going to be perfect timing for me. Okay, 1 minute, and it's going to close the next 5, 15 and 30 minutes candlesticks. 15 minutes wants kind of reaction, but 30 minutes is pretty ugly, so I understand. Then it's going to get lower. Nothing happens right now. One minute looks like it's time to move again. 5 minutes, 15 minutes didn't make any reaction, so I think it's time that the trend line is going to be broken. Come on. Well, this support zone 7.2, 7.1, okay, is strong, but I hope it breaks. Okay, I don't think how strong it is. I mean, yes, let's look at 12 hours. 12 hour. This is the volume that I want to remove this, that make the 7 1. This is the bigger one. This is the support that is acting like right now, but I don't see any reaction in this consolidation. I mean, if here I would have seen a big reaction, okay, could be true, but this candle is so bare, and the daily, this is crying for a retest, at least in my opinion. I need some water. Okay. It's nothing is happening right now, so five minutes is losing our strength here, 15 is here, 1 hour is here. I don't know what to expect. 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, next move. Okay, I think I need to stop this live. So, in order to be honest, I'm going to close this trade. I don't want to wait anymore on live, so I'm going to close this trade at 0.5. So I'm gonna not win same money. Also, I'm going not to take more risks, but I should start thinking about ending this life at this moment. So indeed, I'm going to switch to 1 minute. Let's see what is happening. So this kind of trend line here. So perfect. You understand me? I mean, we are here. I don't know the time I'm here now with you, but it's too long for me at this moment, and I need to close it. And I left open the BitMEX trade with my alarm setting. Okay, but BitMEX price is 84 and BYBIT is 88. I don't like it. So this is little bit. What is happening here in 1 minute? The same. But went lower. Went $10 over. Oh, look, this is less liquidity. My close was on 1.5 and there's 26,000. That's a little below here. Come on, baby. $6. The difference. Okay, I'm gonna change this, and I'm gonna put 25.5. We are here. Okay, so okay, close it. So, okay, now it's okay. Oh, it's oh my god. Oh god. Come on, 46. Okay. Okay, guys, it's over. So I won the big figure of 0.006 BTC. 0.0065, and price is now $46 with you. Not bad. Okay. $46 with you. So, and it's gone down. Oh my god. So that's what happens. But okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, so thank you all being here. I spent a very good time with you. I hope you are here the next time I'm live trading. If you know anyone that want like this, please share the channel with them. Same as Telegram, same as Twitter, same as YouTube. And we need to grow. I like this a lot, but it's time to close the live trading today. I'm planning doing more lives like this one. So have a nice New Year Eve, and a good New Year Eve. And see you on channel and safe trading. Okay.